In order to use the applications in our website, you first need to log in. If you have never logged in, you will see a pop-up screen requesting you to log in with your Facebook account. This is the Facebook provider authentication. So if you are actually already logged in with Facebook, um, it will just request you if you want to add permissions to our application, so we can um, recognize your identity by using the Facebook identity provider. In this case, I have already set up everything and I was already logged in. So after you log in, you will see that the first message will change a little bit and it will tell you that you need to use the apps menu item to use the portal applications. Then you can go to the menu items in here, click apps, and you will see there are some icons. In those icons you can choose the different applications. We have the books translator, we have the Facebook data converter, the emotions analyzer, and the receipts converter. Those are the applications we have currently available for you to use. Uh, Go ahead and feel free to use them. They are all currently free at the moment, and we are just eager for you to use our systems and let us know what other things you would like to have in their systems to keep improving our applications. Have a great day.